Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix "You don't have permission to save in this location" Windows 11. To start, right-click on the file or app with error, select Properties. After this, in the Security tab, click on the button Advanced. Here in the Owner field, click Change. You must enter the name of the current account and click on Check Names. Once validated, click OK. Then click on Apply and in the pop-up window, click on OK to confirm. Close this window. There, select the current user and you must verify that they have full control permission. Thus, the error will no longer be generated. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.